Miriam. I am studying first standard. My model project is Zoo is a place with animal live. First book Cricket and enters the zoo. We saw any animals there. We saw zebra, lion, tiger, deer and bear. We saw giraffe with long neck. Zoo can also to bring the wild side to humans. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Amina. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidyasamastha. My project model is airport. Airport is a place from where people started traveling by land. The airport has built on very large area. The airport has runway for landing the aeroplanes and take off the airplanes. The length of the runway built in the airport ranges from about 2,500 meters and 4,000 meters. At the time of landing, airplanes also run on this runway for a while before taking off. Lights are installed at the both sides of the runway. Bulb on either side of the runway enable the airplane land even at night. Good morning to everyone. My name is Manoj. I am studying in 7th standard. My project model is mountain model. Mountains are the most beautiful structure of the nature. Mountains are the home of 50% world population. They are the source of recreation. Many animals are also live in mountain region. International Mountain Day is celebrated on 11th December every year. Mountains are the home of mountain are inter, Mountains are the most beautiful structure of the nature. Mountains are very built and taller in high Jamia Hill. Mountains are the home of 50% world population. They are the source of major river. They are also source of unique agriculture. Many animals are also live in mountain region. International Mountain Day is celebrated on 11th December every year. Mountains are the home. Mountains are the Mountain play an important role in the biological diversity. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Myself Nusaba. I am studying in 6th standard. My model is Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz is a famous monument in Bijapur of Kannada. It was built in 1656 AD. It is a dome of Muhammad Abil Shah. It was built by him for himself. It is the largest dome in India. It is the second largest dome in the world after St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. It is a circular dome. The peculiar thing is that the dome stands without any pillar support. It was built by dark bezel. The whisper from one corner can be heard clearly opposite sides of the dome. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sumira Bhavna. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidyasamastha. My project model is lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse happens when the earth is directly between the sun and moon. The lunar eclipse can only happen if a full moon day is also during night. Lunar eclipse happen in every year. There are different types of lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse is watching with eyes. Total lunar eclipse happens when the earth moon passes completely through Earth's shadow. During a lunar eclipse, the moon looks red and brown. Lunar eclipse lasts for few hours. Lunar eclipse happen in many places. Lunar eclipse is an astronomical phenomenon. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Sayed Kare. I am studying fifth standard. My project model is opposite words. Opposite words are one of the components of grammar. Opposite words is in the vocabulary. It is much used to attack meaning. Students are also presented for the word. Good morning, all of you. I am Midasima from Sasha. Model of my project is sources of water. Water is an important resource for life. The life cannot access on the earth without water. We get water from lakes, rivers, lakes, borewell, and etc. And there are so many natural and man-made sources of water. Some of them are rainwater, found river, and tap water. Thank you.
Samita, I am studying 6th standard. My model is food chain. Food chain is a tons of food energy. At the basic level, plants produce this own food. At the plants produce with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and soil, some carbon dioxide, and one food. Some plants energy move to herbivores. Example: eagle, snake, frog, butterfly, flower, sun, food chain.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Lamila. I am studying 6th standard. My project is water purifier. Water from natural source contain many impurities to make it fit for drinking. These impurities must be removed on method used for purify water. Decimal upon the source of water. People in the city get purified in or lake water to a network of water purifier. The various systems involved in the purification of water for city. The various systems in a not yet removal the source of water. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Varun. I'm studying Planet. Model of my planet is hill station. Hill station are beautiful place located in mountain areas. Hill station is also a home from many animals and plants. They are usually surrounded by forest. The air in hill station cool. This place is full of greenery with more plants and trees. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Nidanjan. I am studying 6th standard. My model is images and shadow. The information of images take place when the light reject or reflect by an object. The information of shadow take place when the light falls in opaque object. We are able to see images when the light reflection or inside our eyes. A shadow is formed in the ball of light. A shadow is formed in the protects of light. Images is formed in the profession of the reject shadow profile on date of in. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Jafar. I'm studying second standard. My model is traffic signals. The traffic signals are regulate mean of based on three colors: red, yellow, green. Red indicate must stop. Green indicate to go ahead. And thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Farhan Khan. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is robotic drone. Drone is an unpiloted aircraft. Drone are small or medium size unmanaged vehicles. The drone system combines robotics. The name of drone has several full forms. There are dynamic, remotely operated navigation equipment. Drone is invention by Abraham Karim. It's like a flying robot. They came in a variety of shape and size. Drone are usually controlled by a remote unit. There are except with camera, sensor, and other technology. Drones are used in various purposes such as monitoring a climate change, traffic monitoring, the photographer delivering goods, etc. Drones are also used in military.
Morning to one and all. My name is Nikhil from fourth standard. My project model is greenhouse. The greenhouse effect is responsible for heating of Earth's surface and atmosphere. Greenhouse gases absorb radiation from the earth and emit it again towards the earth. Thank you. Thank you everyone. My name is Syed Bilal Pasha. I am studying first standard. My project model is types of houses. There are many types of houses. Pakka house, kacha house, houseboat, igloo, etc. Everyone, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Bilal. I am studying in third standard. My project model is 3 seasons. India have 4 main seasons. Here there are summer, winter, rainy, and spring season. Summer season is hottest season in India. Winter season is very cold season in India. Rainy season is good for agriculture, and spring season is most pleasant season in India. 2 to 3 months season. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. I am Infam from Khalstan. My project knowledge types of angle. Basically, there are 5 types of angle. There are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Straight angle is exact to 180 degree, and reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Rataj. I am saying first standard. My Mall is desert. Desert is the largest area of sand. Desert are dry on hot areas, which receive very less rainfall each year. Desert are dry on hot areas, which receive very less rainfall each year. Desert are place which has very few plants at this time. My name is Alima. I am studying first standard. My project model is forest. Forests are very important parts of nature. Forests give us oxygen to live. Forests are home to many animals. Medicinal plants are born in the forest. It is that people are cutting off trees, destroying forest. Cutting off trees is not good for our environment. We must just forest to keep our college. Thank you. My name is Joseph Achantari. Today's topic is red light means stop. Green light means get to ready. Yellow light means go. Green light means and high speed. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Javeri. I am studying first standard. My project model is the top water. Yeah, water is and my name is Muhammad Yusuf. I am sharing this with. Today my topic is fish. I am studying first standard. My project model is police station. All, my name is Hari. I am studying the standard. My project model is musical instrument. Musical instrument are devices to create or to make musical sound. With the help of musical instrument, we can get the melodic sound. Different types of musical instrument can make different musical sound. There are so many kinds of musical instrument. Some of them are tabla, sitar, damru, drum, dholak, tambourine, and our national musical instrument is Saraswati Veena. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Ayan. I am studying first standard. My project model is electrical appliance. An appliance is a device or machine in our home that we use. TV is a system for sending movies, pictures, sound from one place to another. Mixer grinder is used to mix and grind various food items. A refrigerator is used to cool and pressure food and other perishable systems. Washing machine is a home appliance. Wash dirty clothes. It work on electricity. Washing machine clean cloth in 3 steps. Washing, rising, springing cloth. Thank you.
Good morning to all and all. My name is Maya. I am studying first standard. My project model is mountains. Mountains are the most beautiful structures of the nature. Mountains are very wide and taller in height than the hills. Ladakh, Sikkim are two very important climbing. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Sumit Kulsum. I'm studying 7th standard. My model is High Court. Each state has a High Court. Sometimes one or more states can be placed under a High Court. Example, Haryana and Punjab. Every High Court of its higher judiciary authority. The Karnataka High Court is currently functionally in Bengaluru. The High Court of Bengaluru is now called Principal Bench of High Court. The High Court shall consist of a chief judge and such other a judge appointed of a chief Karnataka. The High Court functions out of a red pine brick building known as the Aksara Kachari is located opposite the Vidhan Saudha. P.S. Anush Kumar appointed as Chief Judge Karnataka High Court website Karnataka judiciary.ka.or.nic.India has 25 High Court. These High Court play a virtual role of law in India. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Afin. I am studying first standard and my project is math symbol. The symbol can be used to communicate maths mathematical ideas more effectively than one. Symbols are used in the calculate the problems or solve the equation in mathematics. There are so many mathematics symbols and some of the basic and important symbol of maths is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, circle, square, is less than, is more than, is equal to, is not equal to, rectangle, percent, meter, gram, triangle, union, liter. Good morning to everyone. My name is Izar Ahmad. I am studying it standard. My project is a model of computer. Computer is an electronic device which takes data from the user and gives the complete information. There are 4 main parts of computer. There are monitor, mouse, keyboard, and CPU. Monitor is the output device of computer. Mouse is a painting device of computer. Keyboard is a typing device of computer. CPU is a processing device of computer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aminata. I am studying 6th standard. My project model of brain. Brain is the inside head of the human body. It is project inside the cells. The human brain is the control center of the body. Human brain has a weight approximately 1.4 kg. It is made up of cells called neurons. It 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 is the control center of the body. Human brain has a weight approximately 1.4 kg. Human brain
made up of these cells called neurons. Human brain has three main parts, which are there brain cells. Thank you. My name is Raina. I am studying UKG. Today's topic is moon and star. Moon shine at night. It gives light and night. The shine starts. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is Zohan. I am studying first standard. The project model is 3D shapes. A 3D shape has a solid that has three dimensions is called a 3D shapes. 3D shapes are that have that have three dimensions is is called a example of 3D shape. Dice, cube, cuboid, rectangular, ice cream cone.
Okay, thank you.
To one and all, my name is Zoya. I am studying first standard. The project model is Rayminverse. The Rayminverse to and more. What is the my name is Nita Session. I study in fifth standard. The project model is first the plants. Plants typically have six basic parts: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and seed. Every part works in coordination and performs various functions. The plant has two main stems that help them to grow and survive. The root system grow below the soil. The shoot system grow above the soil. Lena Taskin, I'm studying fashion and my project model is circle. A circle is a plane figure and it is in round shape. There are so many types of circles. There are segment, radius, diameter, sector, arcs, and circumference. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Uzaif. I am studying second standard. The project model is about birds. Birds are very beautiful. Birds live in nests. Birds have beautiful wings and feathers. There are a lot of colorful birds in our. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hadira. I am studying first standard. The project model is a national festival or pride of every country. Three national festivals are celebrated in India. There are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day is celebrated August 15 of every year. Republic Day is celebrated 26th of January, and Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Thank you. Morning to everyone. My name is Mitra Anjum. I am studying first standard. My project model is greenhouse. A greenhouse building with glass walls and glass roofs. A greenhouse used to grow plants and tomatoes and tropical flowers. A greenhouse stay warm inside even during winter in the daytime. Sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Pujita from 7th standard and my project model is about main parts of computer. Computer is an electronic device which accepts data from the user and gives the complete information. There are four main parts of computer. They are monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. Monitor is the output device of computer. Mouse is the pointing device of computer. Keyboard is the typing device of computer and CPU is the processing device of the computer. Thank you. Everyone, myself Nikita. I am studying 6th standard. My model is drip irrigation. Irrigation is the process of artificially supplying water of the crops. It can be control the water supplied by the plants to adjusting the valves and amperians. This method is suitable for different types of plants. It can be automated to provide the scheduled watering. Drip irrigation, on the other hand, involves the direct delivery of plants, the roots of plants. Drip irrigation as a network has tubes which water is thrown. In this system, water is delivered small amount. Thank you.
My name is Tanavi. I am studying UKG. My topic is zoo. This is tiger. This is cow. This is zebra. This is
Okay. Good.
Good morning, all of you. I am Arshit Kumar from class. My project is a Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister is the head of the government and leader of the parliament. Prime Minister can take all the decisions regarding the nation. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Indian Prime Minister of India after independence. Since from 1947, India has 14 Prime Ministers. Narendra Modi is the 14th President Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
My name is Afifa Fatima. I am studying UKG. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samartha. Today's my topic is indoor game and outdoor game. The games which play in the house are called indoor games and outdoor games. The games like carrom, chess, ludo. The games which play outside the home are called indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor game and outdoor game. Indoor game, outdoor game. The games which play outside the home are called indoor games. The games like basketball, hockey, cricket. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Pujita from 7th standard. My another project model is about a sprinkler system. Agriculture requires a lots of water. Irrigation is the process of supplying water to crops. Irrigation improves crop growth and quality. Irrigation improves the agriculture production. Sprinkler irrigation is a modern irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation system. It is a spray irrigation. It involves the application of water on the surface of a crop and soil. It requires a pump to lift and convey water under pressure. Water use efficiency is lower than a drip system. Installation cost is higher than a drip system. Thank you everyone.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Lakshya. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samartha. My project model is germination of seed. The growing of seed into a new plant is called germination of seed. Germination is the beginning stage of the growth of a plant. In this phase, seed grow into a young plant or seedling. Its seeds germinate in the suitable presence of environmental conditions. Seeds require soil, water, and sunlight for germination. Germination begins with the seed absorption of water during the early stage. The seed will get food from the cartilagen. Most of the seed do not germinate if the seed dip is too deep in the soil. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammed Said. I am studying in 7th standard. My project about the clock. The clock is the direction in which the air is moving. It is a elegant clock. Thank you, accurate weather report. It is key to information on humidity and temperature of a location. The visual of sunny, cloudy, or rainy days are also seen on the clock. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Zubia. I am studying LKG. The project model is about super. The zoo that their animals and rescue animals in the zoo are kept with cages.
Thank you one and all. My name is Abu Sufyan. I am studying in 5th standard. My project is model of eye. The eye is the organ of the eyes are blessing of God. We can see with our eyes. We should take care of our eyes. Human have two eyes. With the help of eyes, we see this beautiful life. Without eyes, the world seems to be done. We watch television, read books, and see things around us with our eyes. Thank you. Sumer, I am studying first year. My project model is air cooler. Air cooler makes simple air moving system. Air cooler push fresh air from the outside through the wet cooling pads. Air cooler increase the amount of humidity in the air, which gives extra comfort in very driving area. Thank you.
My name is Saidar Samula. I am studying in 2nd class. The project is singular time plural. The singular refers to only one person, place, animal, etc. Come for the example for singular time plurals are boy, boy, girl, girl, table, table, cat, cat. Thank you everyone. Good morning to everyone. My name is Safia. I'm studying second standard. My project model is about solar panel. Solar panel are responsible for collecting solar radiation. Solar panel helps in transforming the solar radiation into electrical energy. It is a renewable energy. Electricity and heat both are generated through the use of solar panel. Thank you.
अम्मा बेटा बल्ला क्या निकल को वाला ले ले काम करो हाथ पे पकड़ ले हाँ ऐसा अच्छा ध्यान देखो बोलो
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sidva. I'm studying in third standard. My project model is ATM, one of electronic device, the full form of ATM, automatic teller machine. It is a service bank outlet. We can rather money from ATM by using ATM card. And the machines are found in many public places. Thank you. Hello friends, I am studying in UKG Sri Gayatri Vidya Samasya. Today my topic is living things and non-living things. The things life are called living things. The living thing, breathe, living thing, move, living thing, grow. Example, animal, plant, human, being. Non-living things, life, no life are called non-living things. Do not breathe, do not move. Grow. Example, share, ball, doll. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Imran and I am studying the style. My project model is forest is a large green wild area that grows naturally. Forest is a home for many animals. It provides food to animals and human beings. The forest is a large area covered with trees, plants, shrubs and bushes. Forest helps in balancing the ecosystem. Thank you.
My name is Good morning everyone. My name is Siddiq Pasha. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is wind power generation. Moving air is called wind and its flow makes or passing kinetic energy. Modern windmill convert the wind into mechanical energy or electrical energy. Windmills are used to produce this wind energy. It creates noise pollution. The average velocity of should be 60 km per hour to enable its working. China has the largest wind farm followed by US, Germany and India. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Umar. I am studying first standard. My project model is hospital. Hospital play a vital role in our lives. A place where people who are very ill are injured are treated by doctors. An institution in which if are injured persons are given medical or surgical treatment. A hospital is a healthcare facility that provides specialist medical and nursing care as well as medical supplies to patients. Thank you. Morning everyone. My name is Naveshri. I am studying in LKG. My project model is about foods are healthy and foods keep healthy and fit. These are foods: apple, banana, papaya, grape, watermelon, mushroom, pineapple, orange, guava, pomegranate, mango, pear. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammed Islam. First standard. My project model is a winner. Excel winner. Excel is a that's of your family winner. Excel is a that's of simple mission and made of a wheel. Winner Excel is a makes text is the Excel when we put force and the wheel. Thank you. My name is Roshni. I am studying in UKG. I am student staff Pakis. This is English medium. I am school near me. I am school teachers of America. I love my school very much. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Mujib Pasha. I am studying in 6th standard. My model is simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is defined to have all objects that have a small mass. Also can known as the pendulum of which is suspended from a light and switch. A pendulum is device to make of a wire. It is resting to it. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sanan Swami. I am studying in 6th standard. My model is kidney function. Kidney are an important organ in our body. They are present in either sides of our skin. There are pair of bean-shaped organ. There are reddish brown in the color. The important organ of the excretor system is the kidney. The kidney balance the body flush. Thank you.
I am studying UKG. Sri Gayatri Vidya Samasya. Students, my topic is human body. My body has many organs. My body does eat and with my nose. I eat food with my mouth. I walk with my two hands. I walk with my two legs. Thank you. My name is Manoj. Studying second standard. My project model is about the sports. Sports play important role in our life. Sports makes fit and active important to our body, and there are many kinds of sports. Some there are cricket, football, boxing, cycling, cricket, football, tennis, kabaddi, boxing, cycling, and basketball. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is John Saya. I am studying second standard. My project is about states and capitals of India. India is our country. There are 28 states and capitals in our country. Some of them are Karnataka, Bengaluru, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Bihar, Patna, Goa, Panaji, Maharashtra, Mumbai, etc. Thank you.
Morning, my name is Sohid. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is earthquake alarm. Earthquake is a sudden violent shaking of the ground. Earthquake is a natural calamity. It causes a huge loss of life and property. The study of earthquake is known as seismology. The strength of earthquake measured by Richter scale. It is a sudden violent shaking. The shocks we receive in earthquake arise from inside the earth. A huge energy is released which crosses through the rocks and comes to Earth's surface. Earthquake are natural disasters that may cause damage to the building, bridges, roads, electric generator, facilities, pipeline, communication line, waterways, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Uzaif. I am studying first standard. My project model is places of worship, temple, church, masjid, and gurudwara are example of. My name is Muhammad Alwa. I am morning to everyone. My name is Aliza Fatima. I am studying first year. My project name is Wild Animals. Wild animals are having animals living in forest.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Syed Asif. I am studying science. My project name is electric supply. Electric supply means the total energy supply. The electricity travel at the speed of light. The electric supply used in lighting, heating, cooling from many another purpose. Thank you. Morning. My name is Mohammad Zunan. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to magnify small objects that cannot be seen with the naked eye. A microscope works like a magnifying glass. Microscope have covered piece of glass or plastic that bend light. They are called lens. The object to be studied will be under a lens. As a light passes from the object through the lens makes the look more extensive. And Van Leeuwenhoek invented the first microscope in 17th century. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Alhan Ahmad. I am studying in 6th standard. My model is Red Fort. The Red Fort of Delhi is a famous historical building. This fort was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648 AD. We also call Lal Killa as the Red Fort is one of the great historical monuments in India. It is located in Delhi. A museum has also been built inside this fort. Here the clothes of the Mughal rules, their scriptures and valuables are kept. It is built with red sandstone. It has a Diwan-e-Am and Diwan-e-Khas. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. Every day, thousands of visitors visit this place. Red Fort is very famous for all over the world. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sayed Saud. I am studying 6th standard. My model is smart bridge. A smart bridge is one of that some significant condition of its environmental or behavior and then automatically react to the condition. The smart bridge concept whole promise for expanding infrastructure, safety, reducing maintenance cost and improving overall transportation. Bridges are also built on river. It literally acts as a bridge between smart device and internet, allowing you to connect, monitor and control all of your smart device. They are strong and long. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Abid. I am studying 5th standard. My project model is lighthouse. Lighthouse is the tallest building. It has light nearest the top. Lighthouse built on the coastal and ocean. Lighthouse protect ships or catching ships into the shell. They send light toward the sea. Almost all the lighthouses built on the coastal and oceans. Almost all the lighthouses are automatic. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My change for the my project model is just a matter. Solid in a atoms and molecules are attached to each other. Example book.
liquids in a liquid, atom, sign, molecules are two, three bonded. Example, water. Gases in gases do not have hexagon in shape. Example, balloon is filled with air. It has weight and value tank.
Pasha. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ayan Pasha. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is water pump from motor. Water pump help in transferring water from one point to another with speed. Water pump water pump can help lower level to higher level. Commonly introduction motor is used in water pump. The benefit of water pump is supply of water. The water pump motor can convert in electrical energy into mechanical energy. The water pump water can drain water basement, shallow followed areas, drains, fill a swimming pool or dams, etc. It is irrigation and needed for agriculture. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Amjad. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is solar cell. The energy we get from sun is called solar energy. It will never end as long as the sun remains. It is a renewable source of energy. Solar energy is the best feature of source. The energy we get from sun is called. Thank you, Jain. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Santosh. I am studying 5th standard. And project name is preposition. Preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun with another. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Good morning everyone. Myself is Mohammad Naid. I am studying in 7th standard. My project model is volcano accident. A volcano is a hole in the process of combined lava, gas and water. Volcano located in ground is called a volcano. There are different types of volcano. Volcano of European natural gas is the most dangerous. The best way to prevent volcano is to maintain national dam with instrument plants most and mostly. Volcano has not only on Earth but also not other planets of the universe. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mama Fawad. I am studying in LKG. My project model about Simpakaju is the first day that
Myself Siddiq Pasha. I am studying 6th standard. My model is coronavirus. Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, is an infection disease. There is a new virus is also called as COVID-19. There is a new corona originated in China. Now this virus spread by touch. India has in lockdown due to it. Now corona vaccine has arrival. Wash your hand regularly. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.
My name is Sudharshan. I am studying 2nd standard. My project model is about perfect box. A perfect box is small and powerful box. A proper perfect can save and protect. It is many things to help them and it is contains essential medicines, tablets and equipments. ధన్యవాదాలు. The boy and the mustard, elephant, giraffe, camel, horse, ass, tiger, lion, butterfly, peacock, cow, monkey, parrot. My name is John. I am studying in UKG. Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My topic is traffic signal. Red light means stop. Yellow light means wait. Green light means go. Never red. At high speed. Thank you.
Morning to everyone. My name is Ihan Beg. I am studying 4th standard. My project model is India Gate. India Gate is located in New Delhi, the capital city of India. It was established in February 1931. At the center of the New Delhi stands the 42-meter height India Gate, an arched triumph-like archway in the middle of a crossroad. It is one of the British monuments built by the author of Imperial War Graves Commission. Thank you.
Morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Arpita. I am studying in LKG. My project model is about wild animals. Wild animals is in forest. Wild animals are very dangerous. Some of the wild animals: tiger, lion, zebra, elephant, cheetah, hippopotamus, etc. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Saiba Mariam from 7th class and my project model is about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is an third lunar exploration mission of ISRO. Chandrayaan 3 was landed on 14 July 2023 and it was safe landed on 23rd of August 2023. It was landed on the south pole of moon surface. It consists a lander named as Vikram and a rover named as Pragyan. With Chandrayaan 3 mission, we got to know that there is helium gas, aluminium, calcium, iron, and oxygen is there on the south pole of moon. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Name also say, ma'am. Name also say, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Saiba Mariam from 7th class and this is my project model of high-tech city. High-tech city means high technology city. It is famous for information technology, engineering, health informatics, bioinformatics and financial business, etc. High-tech city is a busy tech industry hub. It helps the country to achieve the global standard of improvement, infrastructure and modern facilities. It consists of office, parks, restaurants, shopping malls, and railway station, etc. It has many other buildings like Cyber Tower, school, hospital, etc. And High-Tech City has several renowned IT companies like Microsoft, Wipro, Infosys, etc. High-Tech City is one of the most significant IT clusters in India and is still expanding with more global companies. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Naveshri. I am studying in 6th standard. My model is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of saving rainwater. It is a predicate that the next where will be found for rainwater. Rainwater harvesting is a very ground method of storing rainwater. It can be rural area anywhere to the dry season that can be stored rural area. The rural area face many problems due to sacrifice one person to another person. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Bibi Hajira. I am studying 7th standard. My project is accurate weather forecasting. Today is 6th March and I am here to tell you about the weather in our place Mulbagal. Weather is hour to hour or day-to-day state of atmosphere at a location. It is changing all the time. It is influenced by factors such as humidity, rainfall, temperature, wind speed, etc. The factors will be changing all the time. Therefore, the weather also changes. Changes in weather conditions can be measured by different instruments. For example, change in atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. Change in temperature is measured by thermometer. Meteorology is a scientific study of weather. In modern days, satellites can track changes in weather patterns. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Myself Ashita. I am studying 6th standard. My model is agriculture. Agriculture is the process of cultivating the land, growing crops and raising the livestock. It is the backbone of our country economic. It is the sources of the much of our food and food. Wells, canals, rivers, etc. are the major sources of irrigation for agriculture. It has a major impact on the GDP of the country. It is also known as the farming. India produces both kharif and rabi crops. India is the second largest producer for meat and paddy in the world. India is also the world's largest export for spicy mushrooms, cardamom, turmeric, ginger, etc. It is to certificate needed for food and for people. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Umar. I am studying in 1st standard. My project is about homophones. The words that have same pronunciation but different spelling meaning are called homophones. Example of homophone: see, right, dear, man, shell, piece, meet, summer, road, fair, leak, etc. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mustira. I am studying in LKG. My project model is to keep healthy and fit. Apple, pear, orange, watermelon, custard, apple, myself Alfia. I am studying 6th standard. My model is Parliament House. The construction of the Indian Parliament building started 12th February 1921. The Indian Parliament was started by the Dukku community. The Indian Parliament House is the highest making in India. The Parliament took it in long time, 6 years till it. The Parliament was inaugurated by the Viceroy and Law Arvind. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Srivi. I am studying 6th standard. My model is types of motion. Types of motion. Motion is when the position object changing over a certain period of time. Types of motion. Rectilinear motion. Motion is a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Example: motion of a house. Motion of a house. Pulling chart on a side road. Motion of a train on a side bridge. Periodic motion. Motion that repeat is called periodic motion. Example: motion of a house. Pulling chart on a side. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Mariam Sheikh. I am studying 5th standard. My project model is solar system. The family of the sun is called solar system. Our solar system consists of planets, sun and other bodies. The sun is the center of our solar system. All the planets revolve around us. The part of the planet is called an elliptical part. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Neptune is the fastest planet to the sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. The Earth is third planet from the sun. The Earth is the only planet supporting life in our solar system. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Abu Sufyan. I am studying 7th standard. My project is the human body respiratory system. The lungs are the primary respiratory system. The human body has two lungs. The lungs are used for breathe. They are situated within a heated cavity of the chest. The right lung has a bigger than left. The right lung 3 lobes. The left lung 2 lobes. A total area surface both lung 80 square. The lung all situated float on water.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Mohammed and I am studying in 6th standard. My model is Earth gravitation force. Earth gravity is the force between two masses. Gravity was first discovered by the Sir Isaac Newton. The value of gravity on the Earth is 9.82 meters. Gravity is a powerful force that glues our universe together. Thank you. And my another model is design a robotic hand. Robot is like a computer. Robot is a machine. It does work very quickly. Robot does not get tired. It can be changed again when its battery gets low. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Ayan Ahmad. I am studying 5th standard. My project model is Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is located in Agra. It is built on the bank of river Yamuna. It is made up of pure white marble. It is often called Remin marble. Many foreign tourists came to visit it. It is the honor and pride of India. Shah Jahan got it built in memory of his beloved Queen Mumtaz Mahal. Taj Mahal is also famous as symbol of love. In 1982, Taj Mahal was designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Khushnet. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is ancient method storing rainwater. This is the agriculture of Polish. It is carried in school and colleges. This is small and vast system to agriculture. Again one time.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fekras. I am studying 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My model is Vidhan Saudha. Vidhan Saudha is the representative of the state of Karnataka. Of the Vidhan Saudha standing from 1952 and is completing 1956. The Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, is the foundation stone of the Cricket of Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Jasmine. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Sri Gayatri Vidya Samastha. My project model is drip irrigation. Irrigation is the process of adding water to agriculture by cities. A type of micro irrigation system. Drip irrigation save water. Drip irrigation supplies directly to. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Kushal Naik. I am studying 7th standard. My project model is sericulture. The butterfly life cycle includes 4 stages.
There are eggs, saliva, pupa, and adults. The female butterfly lays the eggs. The caterpillar forms a bullara stretching around its pupa. The pupa gradually grow and develop into a butterfly. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Masalisha. I am studying in education. My project model is about transport means moving people from one place to another by means of a vehicle. There are three main types of transport.
बस क्या इसको गायत्री स्कूल को हमें जगह दी है फर्स्ट है हमें हमें जगह दिए के बाद है एक इम्प्रूवमेंट करें आज मोहल्ले को इम्प्रूवमेंट करें उनका उनका बहुत यह है हमारे ऊपर बहुत है हमें हमने बिल्डिंग बनने भी उन्हें पैसे दिए हमें बिल्डिंग बनाने भी 6 लाख रुपए उन्हें हमारे दिए देखो बिल्डिंग बने बिल्डिंग से इम्प्रूवमेंट है अच्छी स्कूल इम्प्रूवमेंट चला रही है हमने बहुत खुशी बच्चा की तरफ से कोई बच्चे इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं कन्नड़ा में हो तेलुगु उर्दू में हो तो इम्प्रूव हो रही है बड़ा खुशी हमें बच्चे अच्छे साहब को मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ अच्छा से अच्छा स्कूल कर जाए